Yo, what's up guys? If you have been running Facebook ads lately and your old scaling strategies are not working like they used to, you're not crazy. Meta just dropped another update and as always the strategies have been changed. So in this video, I'm breaking down how to scale your Facebook ads after the latest update. What changed, what's working right now, and how to increase your ROAS even with increasing the ad budget. Let's get into it. Meta is all on automation now. You have probably seen Advantage Plus campaign popping up, dynamic creative testing getting more hype, and your audience targeting getting tighter, which means Facebook now wants to run your ads for you. Now I'm gonna share the screen and show you how do we scale Facebook ads with this new update. Now I'm in the ads manager dashboard right now. So we create the campaign. The objective is sales. If it's for e-commerce and your goal is to generate more sales, continue. Okay, so give the proper name of your campaign. So I'll start with TOF if you're targeting top of funnel audience, TOF sales and the date. All right, so buying type is auction as always, and the sales objective is sales like we selected previously. And if Advantage Plus catalog ads is turned on like automatically on your end, you just turn it off. If you want to run catalog ads for your e-commerce business, make sure you have over 50 SKUs, like a lot of SKUs. It works really well. But if you don't have like too much of SKUs, maybe like few product store, then I don't recommend you do catalog ads. If you have got a lot of data in your event manager, then it will work for you. And if I scroll down, so here's the budget section, like Advantage Plus on, it's automatic now. Okay, like Meta is slowly removing the manual sales campaign. Okay, so like it's not even letting me to choose the manual sales campaign. Okay, in this new update, if you see over here, like this is not the on and off toggle button. Okay, like it's, I can do nothing about it. Okay, so here you put the daily budget or lifetime budget. Okay, yeah, we can start with like $25 if it's just for testing and you're on a budget. So this is another important setting for you. So it's campaign bid strategy. Okay, like if you click here and see other options, so we can set up cost per result goal, we can set up ROAS goal, other bid cap as well. So depending upon the situation. Okay, like for now I would go with the highest volume or value so that I get more conversions. But if you have like really warmed up ad account, a lot of data in your events manager, then you can set up cost per result goal or ROAS goal as well. Now we have this another section called audience segment reporting. So like if you want to define your audience segments, you can just like click on manage in advertising settings, and yeah, the audience segment is opening, and yeah, you can create like custom audience. Like if you haven't created the custom audience, you can create custom audiences, for example. So for the existing customers, like we can choose the existing custom audience. Like for example, if I want to choose purchase 180 days, I can just click over here. And or if I want to create like new custom audiences, I can just click here and create new custom audience from here as well. This gives the Meta's AI, more idea about your audience person as well. And I can just confirm like the URL parameter for the audience. The audience segments have been updated. Now I can just go to the ad set level, and here for the conversion location, if you have set up the shop, you can choose website and shop. This works really well for the stores that have shop, but if you don't have shop, that's fine. You can choose website, and or like if you're driving traffic to your app, you can choose this one as well. So if you want to drive traffic to both like website and app, you can select this one. But now I just want to choose the website. And yeah, for the performance goal, choose maximize number of conversions, choose the active data sets, and conversion event. This is very important, guys. Always choose purchase. Okay, if your goal is to make more purchase, and if you want to put the cost per result goal, you can just like put the value over here. Okay, so the highest volume bid strategy doesn't have a cost per result goal. We chose the highest volume bid strategy during the campaign setup. So otherwise, like, you'll be able to, choose the cost per result goal as well. This works well like for the brands, that have multiple active campaigns, and like if you just want to test it out, you can do it. It provides us like great results for some of our clients as well. And here's the section for budget and schedule. We have already put the budget in the campaign level, so we don't have to do anything. If you want to schedule ad or something, you can just like play around in this setting, but we're good now. Now another section is audience. So Advantage Plus audience is active like automatically, guys. Okay, so if you want to use the saved audience, you can just like click here and choose from here. And if you want to suggest the meta algorithm, like new audience targeting, then you can choose from here. For example, this is the streetwear brand, guys. So I can choose like, let's say the age 18 to 26. Okay, and then if you want to choose gender, you can do it, just from this setting. And this is the detailed targeting option as well. So yeah, you can choose like targeting options from here. You can just like type it out. If you're targeting the audience who are interested in streetwear, you can just like choose streetwear, and you'll get a lot of suggestions as well. So street fashion, hip hop fashion, hip hop music, like try to make the audience definition broad, so that Meta's AI will have more space to play around with the targeting. So yeah, if you want to save this audience for later use, you can do it as well. Just like name this audience, okay, streetwear, 18 to 26. So yeah, you can just like save the audience so that it's easier. You don't always have to do it manually. All right, and we have like another section, placements. Okay, it's automatically on, like Advantage Plus placements is automatically on. If you want to make changes, for example, if you have created custom creatives like for stories only, or reels only, or feed only, or carousel, like, or like Facebook only, or Instagram only, in such cases, click on show more settings. Like Meta is always, they're trying to push the Advantage Plus options. So if you want to have control over the placements, you can just click over here. And okay, if you like, you can choose like where you want to show the ads to. For example, if I want to show the ads to stories and reels, I can just select here. If it's just like stories, you can just click this drop down icon and then like choose stories only, and like remove the reels, just turn on the stories options, and you can turn off rest of the other options. You can also choose like devices and operating options. Like if you want to target iOS devices only, you can do it. I don't want to do anything from here. If you want to choose platforms, like for example, if you want to just like run ads on Instagram only, you can just like choose Instagram, and for the placement, you can just choose Instagram stories. It's automatically chosen, and now you're good to go. And in the ad level, choose the identity, your pages, and create ad. If you want to use the existing post, you can just choose like use existing post from here, and you can select post from this option. But I just like want to go with the manual option, so create ad and manual upload. We have multiple formats as well, like flexible, single image or video, carousel, collection. So like since we're doing story ads, I'm gonna choose single image or video, and you put the website URL. Here's the option to upload your image or video. So for example, I just choose image ad for now. So now like if you go to the media, like you can choose the images from like all accounts, your Instagram, or like you can directly upload, from the file as well. I'm just like gonna choose one picture from here just for the sake of it. No need to do anything. You can put like primary text, your ad copies over here, headline over here, and put call to action, shop now. Click next. No need to generate images, skip and continue, and no need to turn on like enhancement. Okay, so just click done. All right, there are some errors because we haven't put like primary text, headlines, website links. You can put it out in your own way. This is just a sample campaign to teach you guys like how to create campaigns with the new settings. So one thing I want to say here, like focus on your creatives. Your creatives is the new audience nowadays, okay? Like Meta target the audience based on your creatives and ad copies. So you can test like 3 to 5 variations of your ad creatives or ad copies in each ad set and figure out the best performing ones. And once you figure out like best performing angles, you can focus on scaling them. And when you're scaling, don't just bump your budget up. You can duplicate the ad set or campaigns, and change like some of the variables in it and scale horizontally as well. This still works like crazy nowadays. Also, while scaling, I would recommend you to use CBO, using all the winning elements. You're targeting your ad creatives, offers, ad copies, your landing page, call to actions, whatever you have tested. I have found campaign budget optimization is more efficient than ABO, especially while scaling. So that's what I recommend. And if you're testing everything from scratch, it's a new brand, like in such cases, I would still recommend you to go with like manual testing with ABO. So scaling Facebook ads in 2025 is the mix of letting Facebook's AI do the work and feeding it with the right stuff. So test as many variations as you can, scale strategically, and don't get lazy with the creatives. If you want me to do the Facebook ads for your e-commerce business, you can click the first link in the description to schedule your free strategy session with my team, and we will see if we can help you and we are a good fit to work together. If this video helped you, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comment section what's working for you right now or what's driving you nuts with the latest update. I will see you in the next one.